What's up everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Another video. We are back here putting the car on the dyno again, and we're gonna see what power it makes the second time around. There's also gonna be a third time, maybe a fourth time, depending what direction I go with this car, right? But you guys, okay, I'm over here at Clark Turner Tuning. It's actually located over there. So over there's where the dyno's at, right? But anyways, we're gonna put it on the dyno. I honestly think it's gonna make more power than it did last time. There is a whole new revision file tune on the car. It is much stronger, and honestly, it's not even close to being conservative. So I'm expecting some relatively, hopefully, good numbers this time. I'm thinking around like 313, 310, somewhere around there, give or take, okay? Not positively sure what it's going to make, but I can definitely tell you it's going to be stronger than last time. You guys, before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings. Let's get this video started. Here we go. All right, y'all. Getting it all set up. Back on the dyno again. I'm over at Clark Turner Tuning over in Tempe, AZ. And we're gonna see what it runs now after the new tune revision. So it should be more powerful for sure. Just gonna do some warm-ups here, and then I'll show you guys the graph and everything. All right. Much love and blessings. Make sure it's all strapped down. Fortunately, I can't be behind the car, you guys, because it's a safety issue. Apparently, like rocks can come up and stuff, and so I got to be here to the side, but you guys still have a full clear view of it. So let's see what it puts down. I might need to do a front mount intercooler setup here in the summer, is what Clark was talking to me about. So we're gonna see for sure. But all right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking and see what it puts down. Blessings. Okay, so you guys, 309 peak, 344 pound-feet.
This one here.
Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me, 349 right there.
The difference between the two is the weather correction.
Yep.
There's not much weather correction today, only a little bit.
Correct, I see that. So yeah, 309. Okay, so you guys, that's much better than last time for sure. Thank you, Clark. All right, y'all. Hope you did enjoy that video. Guys, like I said, I was really close to my estimate. It did put down 309 wheel and 349 pound-feet of torque. Not too shabby for the little mods that it has. Remember, we have an ETS top mount intercooler, ETS titanium charge pipe, ETS intake with the air box, and then a Ray Motorsports exhaust. And then the Cobb access port with the Clark Turner tune on it. So yeah, I'm honestly pretty happy with those numbers. It's definitely powerful, way more powerful than it was the first time around. So honestly, you guys, we're gonna put E85 in this car, okay? And I want it to be around the 353 wheel, 360, give or take, around there, see what it does. I do not need to do a fuel pump like I did on the Type R. I do not need to do fuel injectors like I did on the Type R. And that's it. Like, honestly, we're gonna see what it does the third time around. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. Much love, major blessings, you guys. Till another video. Remember, the coilovers are coming up. The big brake kit is coming up, amongst other things. So stay tuned. Here we go. Skylyfe.